Hello people, I am back with another exciting video. In this video I am going to share with you this sari. It was supposed to be an unboxing video, but the outer covering had to be removed for the hygiene reasons. This sari I bought from an Instagram store called Studio Shreshta. I have been following this page for some time and I was really into it to buy some sari from you because their collection is very good. This is not a sponsored video. I have bought this sari, and after showing you this sari I am going to share you 5 ways how I am going to style this sari. So this is how the sari looks like. So this is the bottom border, this is the body of it. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse piece. This is a Kora cloth with organza, and this has beautiful elephant weaving on it. This, as per the store, is a hand woven sari. And it took me only it took them only 2 days to deliver the sari at my place, so the delivery is quite fast. So let's see how I style it.